We all probably know that as we age our body starts to get weak, and not all the body organs are as healthy and strong like they were when we were younger. We start feeling pain in our joints, we cannot bend down, we get pain in our muscles, and so on. The pain can be extremely intense and hard to treat. Doctors explain that a joint is a connection between two bones joints and their surrounding structures, which allow you to bend your elbows and knees. Wiggle your hips, bend your back, turn your head, and wave your hands. Smooth tissue called cartilage and synovial and lubricant called synovial fluid cushion the joints so that the bones do not rub together, but with increasing age, injury, or if you are overweight, then the cartilage can wear out, which can actually damage your joints and then could be the cause of arthritis. The best way to care for your joints is to keep them and your muscles, ligaments, and bones strong. You will need to do some light walking, biking, swimming, tai chi, yoga, and water aerobics, which are all good aerobic exercises for people with osteoarthritis. Water exercise is especially ideal because of the water's soothing warmth and buoyancy. It's a gentle way to exercise joints and muscles, plus it acts as resistance to help build muscle strength. Fibrous body tissues that connect bones together, strengthening your ligaments will help increase your overall body strength by giving bones and muscles a solid foundation to work from. The following natural drink will strengthen the joints, ligaments, and cartilages and help you soothe the pain. Ingredients: 2 cups of chopped pineapple, 1 cup of chia seeds, 3 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin, 1 cup of natural orange juice, 1 teaspoon of organic honey, 8 ounces of crushed sweet almonds, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 8 ounces of water. Instructions: mix all of the ingredients in a blender, blend until you get a homogeneous mixture. Drink a glass of the remedy twice daily, once on an empty stomach in the morning and another one in the afternoon. Repeat daily for 15 days, and you will be surprised that the pain will be gone.